Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diamond's Groove. To all my subscribers, I'm very grateful. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Even for our new subscribers who subscribed while I was away, I really do appreciate you all. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to approach your crush. A crush is someone you like, someone you want to be friends with, someone you just want to have a thing with. It could be something strong, it could just be an ordinary crush, somebody you have a thing for, someone you just see from afar, from a distance, and you just feel like, oh, I need this person in my circle. Sometimes it just might just be a crush which you shouldn't have forged ahead with. You just want to make that person your lover, your girlfriend. You want to talk to somebody actually. Now you're thinking of how to talk to the person, how to approach the person. This video is definitely for you. The thing about approaching someone is that it is not really easy to have or sum up the courage to meet someone you like, someone you love, because so many emotions that will be running through your mind, so many things that will be running in your head. Would this person be nice? Will this person want to talk to me? Will this person want to give me a listening ear? Will this person take me for granted? Or will this person snub me? You just have so many mixed feelings. You can be so nervous and reluctant not to talk to this person. But this video is here today to tell you how to approach that person you love, how to approach your crush. For you to walk up to someone that you love, you have to be very confident in yourself, that regardless, that whatever the case may be, if the person turns you down, just take it like, okay, yes, it's an option. It's either a yes or a no. So showing a high level of confidence also is going to show in your courage, how you carry yourself. It's very good to have confidence because you can take the bull by the horn. You can see somebody you like today and walk up to the person and tell the person how you feel. Tell the person how it is, and tell the person your mind, and tell the person what you want from the person, and just start a conversation with the person. That's the first basic thing. When you have a high level of confidence, this makes it much easier and you're able to approach your crush. And the person you're talking with will also perceive and feel that this person has confidence to even walk up to me or to talk to me. It will show your strength, your courage, your masculinity. That is what's giving you a listening ear. You have to show confidence, your conversation, in how you interact with the person that you like. In some scenarios, it is possible that a lady will be attracted to a man who has more confidence than a man who has a low level of confidence. And when you are approaching a lady, do not over-compliment her, because compliments will now begin to sound so fake, because you're just trying to get her. So you now start complimenting her too much. Even before now, there are lots of people that you can be walking on the road, you are passing by in the streets, somebody is calling you fine girl, just teasing you and saying all sorts of things. Your compliment should be centered around something that is more significant, or something that people may not really pay attention to. You should be so thoughtful in your compliments. Think outside the box. Don't make it look so random. If you see her wearing a necklace, you can compliment the pendant, that you like her pendant and it's so beautiful. That will even give you a topic for discussion. When you pay attention to details, you'll be able to know how to compliment this person. And when you're trying to approach a lady that you love, your crush, someone you like, show your interest. Don't make it so basic. Be honest in your discussion. Be straightforward. Don't tell lies. Don't start anything you want to do with lies, because you always lie to cover up a lie. So do not lie. Go straight to the point. Don't beat around the bush. Be honest. Show interest. What interests you about her? Be honest about how you feel with the person. After you approach a lady, another thing to do is to get her contact. After trying to familiarize yourself with each other, trying to know your name, trying to do some basic conversation and communication, this is one thing you should not forget. Don't forget to get her contact. And if you forget to get her contact, you may have to start all over to reintroduce yourself. And then when you get her contact, it is best that you don't call back immediately. Don't be too desperate to start calling somebody's child to say, after I got your number, I cannot breathe again. You just met this person. So when you get the contact, you should allow the person breathe. Let this person go home and think and try to feel the moment, to try to wrap her head over what happened, the conversation you guys had. If you're somebody she likes to talk with moving forward, if you're somebody she doesn't even want you to call her number, when you get her contact, you can just tell her that you call her back. Calling her back doesn't mean you have to call immediately. Do not act desperate. You can give it a day or two for her to also think about what you guys talked about, because you don't want to be on two different pages. It is best that you two be on the same page. So give her time to reflect. Give her time to think about what she needs to think about. That is when you can now call back again. And when you call back again, you can know from the tone and the conversation if she actually wanted you to call back, so that you don't put your head in something she is not really liking. If she really wants to talk to you, she'll be like, I thought you were going to call back as you said that same day. From that question, you can know, oh, this person was expecting my call. The person is interested in you and not like you're disturbing the person. The next thing to do is to fix a date. It's not good to prolong a next meeting, because sometimes you might even forget who you're speaking with, and it helps to create bond. So you fix a date when to see. You just have to fix a date so that you guys get to meet again. Fixing a date helps you because you can also know her intentions or her mindset. If she ever wants to meet you again, you can tell her, okay, we're going to fix a date for this day by this time at this venue. And she said, okay, noted, all right, I'll make it there. Or if the person is not chanced, but the person actually wants to meet you, say, okay, why not we fix it on another day, the same venue at this time? That shows you that this person actually wants to see you. So from there, you can now deduce that, okay, this person actually wants to see me again. And from her response of rescheduling, will let you know that this person wants to see you. I don't mean someone that is taking you back and forth, rescheduling, and it's forming so busy. So many excuses. From there, you know that this person doesn't want to meet you. You can now know what to do from there. So the next point is that you have to make an effort. For the fact that she has accepted to be your girlfriend, to be your friend, to be in your life, doesn't mean you will not stop acting the way you used to act. You will not start forming strong Iron Man. No. The things you used to do to get her, you have to continue doing it. Don't relent your efforts. Make effort to always call, to reach out to each other, to message each other, to fix dates with each other, to see each other. You have to make out time for that. Not because she has accepted you and then you abandon her like that. And then the last point on how to approach a girl or a crush that you love. Do not forget to also consider your personal hygiene, because it will be so bad for you to walk up to somebody and the moment you open your mouth, it will ooze. The other person will not even be interested in what you want to say again. That will already write you off. So be very conscious of your personal hygiene. Brush your mouth very well. Let your breath not stink. Let it be fresh. Have a good cut from the salon. Try to use body sprays, deodorants, and all of that to smell good. We're talking about personal hygiene. Cut your fingernails. Little things like that, as little as that, with little details, are very, very important. You might not know who is looking out or who the person is and what the person likes, but at least make sure that your personal hygiene is in check. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not. You can also share this video to your friends and families, to your social media platforms, and Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. This is Diamond's Groove. Bye.